Hello, future dental trailblazers. Welcome to the Asian Institute of Advanced Dentistry, AID, your gateway to a groundbreaking career as a successful dentist. AID, the largest dental finishing school in India, blends Oriental wisdom with cutting-edge technology, providing a rich learning environment on a vast, modern infrastructure. Here's why AID is your perfect choice. Real-world experience. Work on diverse dental cases with a large influx of patients, gaining hands-on experience beyond textbooks. Expert mentors. Learn under the supervision of seasoned mentors who guide you through the complexities of dentistry. Diverse courses. Choose from a range of clinical courses, from basic to advanced levels, tailored to your specialization. Hands-on workshops. Immerse yourself in real operations through workshops for comprehensive knowledge and skill enhancement. Elevate your career with exclusive clinical fellowships and masterships, joining an elite league of dental professionals. Ready to take your dental career to the next level? Dive into AID's offerings. Your journey to excellence starts with exploring the right opportunities. AID might be your next big step.